You got that right. You say, got it, dude. Got it, dude. There you go. Now, the first word we're going to learn today is microwave. Can you say microwave with me?
Oh my God.
You're getting there. I can see the M starting up here. Yeah, close. It's not our egg. Microwave.
If he actually says it, it'll be like, what?
Microwave. Yeah. Microwave. It cooks all the good food that McDonald's makes. You like it. That's what McDonald's uses all the time. Yes, they do. They use the microwave all the time. I don't even know if they use anything else but microwaves. Yeah, it's the new wave to
Baby's
do
first
things.
lesson in the real world.
Yeah, like Big Mac, please. That's good. I like that. That sounds just like Big Mac, please. Yeah. Side of fries. Yep. You don't have to raise your hand for it, though. They'll hand it to you willingly and ask you want fries with it. Yeah. Yeah, they will. Yeah, they do it. They do it all the time. Ooh.